dark, I feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a hair video, my first hair video. I got this inspiration from Laura Asia Andrea, a YouTuber. She does a lot of wigs, color, and makeup. And I saw one of her platinum wigs that she did. It was called Unicorn Gray Hair Color Tutorial, and I was like, I have to do it. So I literally bought all the items she said to buy. I kind of improvised with some of the things, like with the conditioner and the actual fabric dye. I got a different brand, but everything else I got to the exact T, even the wig, even the hair she said to purchase. She actually went to ywigs.com. If you want to use your coupon code for $5 off, just put LAURA Laura in the promotion code section and you'll get $5 off. So I basically got, this is an 18-inch right here. I got an 18-inch again and an 18-inch. Okay, so no. Oh yeah, so I got all of the same lengths, and then I have closure right here. It is really blonde, like it has like a yellow tint to it. So she'll explain in the video how to dim out, you know, kind of get the yellow out of it. This is by, like I said earlier, ywigs.com. This is the color 613 Body Wave. I literally bought everything she told me to buy. I did not I did not try to improvise too much. So basically she said you need a mixing bowl, or she said 3 mixing bowls, but I only have 1, so I'll probably improvise and get something else to put the other colors in. But I got 1 mixing bowl, 2 mixers, I got a few clips to take the hair away. I got the hair dye to the exact T, the ion color, bright. I got the titanium, lavender, shark blue, and violet gray. So you'll see later on in the video like how she puts the color on the actual hair. She also said to get Ritz fabric dye, but I actually got the Dylan. This is the powder version. Hopefully works as well as the Ritz, but I got that because they were out of the Ritz dark brown. I have my little mannequin head right here. She actually has a professional one on the stick, but this will do. I got a comb. I got my white conditioner. It has olive oil in it, so hopefully it works as good as hers. She actually used the I believe it was green tea ginger or something like that, but hopefully this will work as well, because she said you need a white base conditioner when you're mixing the colors, because if not, it's not going to stick. So I have this white conditioner. Okay, so she said to get a shampoo and a conditioner, so I might have to go back to the store and return one to get shampoo, but you need a shampoo and a conditioner because it is really a light color. I have a mixing bowl, not a mixing bowl, but to put my frontal in when I put the dye. And she also said she wanted to dye the roots to give it more of an ombre look. So I got this Color Silk Beautiful color and a soft black. I don't want it to be harsh black, so I got soft black. So basically I'm going to dye the roots like an ombre. You know, I'm probably going to put it around down here. And then I'm going to actually put hot steaming water in this in this container. She says you have to use hot water, not warm, not cold, but hot. So you have to use hot water, and then you put like I think she said a cap full of the Ritz fabric dark brown, but since I don't have the liquid, I'm going to probably put I'm going to measure it, eye it basically, and just put in here. You set it for a few seconds and you take it out and rinse it. Since I don't have the shampoo for this, I might not start on this today because she says you need to tone it, and since I don't have it, I can't tone it. But anyway, so if you guys want to stay tuned and watch the rest of this video, just watch till the end and see how it comes out, because I'm going to be really disappointed. I spent all this money and it didn't come out. So hopefully something good comes out of this. So stay tuned for the video. So I just finished dyeing the roots and washing it out. Dye right here. You have to add some sea salt, and I'm gonna just eye it and pour a little bit in here in the container right here. So I'm going to place this part, the frontal part only, into the water. For about a minute. So guys, this is how it looks in the hot water. As you can see, it's steaming. I put maybe about a capful and a half of the fabric powder, and I put some sea salt, and it's like really hot. I can't even touch it. So yeah, she said to leave in for about a minute. It's 10:52 right now, so I'll take it out at 10:53 p.m. So yeah, make sure it's like saturated. The whole lace, this part right here, is like saturated into the water. Make sure you have the water on like warm, not cold and not hot. So I'm just going to go over it just like this in the bundle. I'm not going to unravel it because I feel like it's going to be hard to wash. So I'm just going to hold the bundle just like this and then just bring the shampoo down.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
See how the color is changing a little bit, it's getting more silver? That's what I want.
3 hours later.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and
But you guys can see the difference between the yellow and then the tone here. Big difference. Okay guys, so the portion of this video, I'm going to show you what I use to color. So like she said, take pen and paper because it's gonna be a little tricky with the color. So I have 4 colors she used. She used titanium, striped blue, violet gray, and lavender. She took 3 mixing bowls and 3 mixers. I only have 2, so I'm gonna have to wash them out and reuse it for another color. I actually have a mixer right here, like a little spatula to mix up the colors together. She also said to use a white conditioner. So I don't really have the same exact one she used. I have a white conditioner though. Do not use the purple shampoo conditioner because it's clearly not white, but it's conditioner. But this is the one I'm using. It's the Garnier Whole Blend Replenishing Conditioner. It has olive oil, so I hope it doesn't mess up the color. Or I might use this Isoplus Deep Repair Conditioner. I really want to keep this because I love this conditioner, so I might not use this. So I'm just going to use this one, and that's all you need for the coloring, you know, like to mix up the colors. So I'm going to go one by one. I'm going to take these apart. So I know the base color is going to be like a gray, and then the other 2 is going to be like a lavender, and the second one is going to be a blue. This is the lavender color. This is the violet gray color. You guys see that? Violet gray. This is the shark blue. And last but not least, this is the titanium. Right here. So they all come in tubes just like this. They all come in tubes just like this. She did mention that there's measurements, so 1/4, a half, and 3/4 right here. So if you want to use half, just stop right here. If you want to use 1/4, you stop here up, and so on. So yeah, those are measurements if you need to use it. But for this, she's really detailed in her video. So she did say use a whole, which one is it? So she did say the titanium one used the whole entire tube for this one. So there's a little piece right here to puncture the metal. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this out, put it into the container. Try to get as much, because with these tubes, you want to get as much of the color out as possible. So I'm trying not to waste it, because I'm doing a whole entire wig. Boom. So this is how it looks, flat as hell, because I took out all the color. Just to save up the mess, I'm just going to put them back into the box so I don't have to mess up my sink. But this is how much of the color came out of that one tube. I'm going to set that aside. So I know she said with conditioner she used about 1/4 of a cup. I don't know if I should just eye it out or I should get measurements, but just to be safe, I'm going to go get a measuring cup. So I'm just going to eye it and just hopefully it will come out good. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this much conditioner first. If I need to add a little more, I'll add a little more. Take my mixer and just whip it around.
Whip it through the glass. I'm blowing money.
So next, I'm going to take 1 whole tube of lavender and 1/4 tube of violet gray. Okay, so that's how much of the shark that is how much of the violet gray that I used, only this portion right here. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the shark blue color. She did mention it's really pigmented, it's really like a bright blue, so she only used half of it. So I'm going to put that into, she said it's really overpowering, that's what she did say. It's really like pigmented color. So I'm only using half of that, but unfortunately she did not mention how many tubes to get. So I honestly thought 1 of each tube was enough. When I watched, when I watched her video again, she mentioned she did half a tube of shark blue and a whole tube of titanium, when I already did a whole tube of titanium right here. So I'm assuming she got 2 of each color, which she should have mentioned in the video. I would definitely got 2, but yeah, I'm not going to Sally's right now. It's too late. They're closed anyway. So I'm gonna do what I have, and I'm just gonna put half this tube right here. A little bit more. Okay, and I'm gonna improvise. It might look like hers, it might not. We'll see how it looks when it comes out. So instead of me using the whole titanium, I want to just use the rest of the violet gray that I have, and just use the whole entire tube. So let's see how that comes out. Okay guys, so these are all 3 of the colors that she said to mix. I put titanium, a whole tube of titanium, a little bit more of 1/4 of a cup of this one. This is going to be the main color, like on the top. That's why there's more of this. And then these are just like accent colors in the hair. So this is the 1 whole full tube of lavender, and I put half tube or 1/4 a tube of the violet gray in this one. Then I did a whole, and I put conditioner in this one too. And I did a whole tube of the shark blue. No, I did half a tube of the shark blue in this one because she did say it's really overpowering color. So I did half a tube of shark blue, and I did the remaining of the violet gray tube in this one because I did not have another titanium. So if you guys want to do the exact one she does, she used half a tube of shark blue and a full tube of another titanium, and put a little bit of conditioner in this one. So these are the three colors I have, and I mix them all together. And then these are the mixers. These are the ones I'll be applying the color with. So guys, this is how my wig came out. It came out really gray. There's a few pieces that's a little blonde, but it's not as blonde as it was before. But yeah, so what she did was basically do the wig first, then color it second. She did mention a lot of people have to color the hair first before they make the wig. But honestly, I see what she was talking about. It's actually easier to make your wig first and then apply the color. But I do have gloves. Don't say anything in the comments. I want to use my kitchen gloves and just throw these away after I get some new ones. So I'm just using some pink gloves. She did say to part the hair halfway, which I'm going to do right now once I get these gloves on. And if you feel like you don't have enough shark glue, just basically thin it out with the conditioner. And I'm honestly going to keep this in overnight. I'm going to do it right now, go to bed. Right now it's 8:40, so I'm going to go to bed around 12. And when I wake up, just take it out. Because she did say pastel colors, you want to make sure it seeps in. So she kept it in overnight.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
So you guys are at the end of this video. I'm so happy you guys watched it. I'm so happy you guys stayed till the end. So like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys like this hair color. I'm going to do a slow-mo of the color at the end of this video. And yeah, it was a little tricky. I'm not going to lie, it was a little tricky with what I had. So, if you guys want to keep on watching, just keep on watching all these videos I've been doing. Just keep on clicking that bell button right there. And stay tuned. And I'm about to do a get ready with me video with this hair. So after this video, I'm going to be doing the next video. So yeah, love you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next video. This is how the color comes out up close. It's really pretty. It's like really blue and purple. Hers is more like blue, purple, and gray. So I had to do with what I had. So this is how it's looking up close. You guys see that? It's really pretty.
Going around these